Huron Michigan. Hey guys, we got AMTRAK train, AMTRAK eastbound and westbound service delivery train. Sits and 7. It comes. So you get back to that one up. Might go west. I think it's gonna go south. You know what? I'm not 100% sure if that's an AMTRAK. I can't tell. Yes, it's AMTRAK. Yeah, it's AMTRAK. Here it comes. Watch, you're gonna see him. Watch, you see him turning towards. See him turning towards the southeast. Now he's turning eastbound. Pretty cool. Tell you what, after the AMTRAK stops, we can check the signal. Is there any people standing up there or what? Green signal down for westbound. Yep, there's a guy walking. There's the AMTRAK. You can see there's the engine, there's the other AMTRAK engine right there. Every time the AMTRAK comes, he stops and he flashes his lights and blows the horn too much. It's ridiculous, you know. Every time he stops, he blows the horn, flashes his lights, and it scares the crap out of us. Me too. You know, guys, it's pretty scary. I think it's 27. You know what? I think it's 27. Might be 37. It's either 37 or 27. I think it's 27. I knew that's what they were waiting for. AMTRAK. Okay, now he's from that car, he's going on the AMTRAK train to Chicago tonight. He's gonna be on the westbound, so. Oh, my battery, that's okay. 27. AMTRAK 27. Okay, that's off now. Cool. Let's check the signal. Anyway, so far, 7 trains, that's awesome. If we see more, it'll be 8. Let's get a signal. Hang on, how you can see. Hey, let's go a little closer to the road so we can get a better view of this signal, you know? So alright guys, it's off now. Alright, I better go back up there to the police. Port Huron police. Alright guys, it's off now. Port Huron Michigan.